Hello everybody, Steve from Steve's TV. Thanks for tuning in. Today we're going to have a short video related to Ford Focus brake problems. People have a lot of trouble with this, but I had to figure it out, so I'm going to show you how I did it. Okay, what happens is your brake pedal almost goes to the floor but still stops the car. It's not supposed to work like that. You're supposed to have a nice hard pedal. So you don't want to go and replace your master cylinder. That's not it. You don't want to replace your calipers or your wheel cylinders. That's not it. It's not in the bleeding of the brakes. What it all zeroes down to is this little girl right here. This is your ABS pump. And the ABS pump has two pieces. You have a module and you have your pump. And what you need to do is you need to get this off of there from inside the car. That's going to hang on its wire harness, of course. So now, once you've gotten this out, which I'm going to show you in the next part of the video, how to get to this in the car, because it's like a big secret, but I found it. Anyway, once you've got this out, and you do have to be careful. I don't have to tell you that, I hope. These were cut out at the scrapyard, okay? But this is not the pump that I just put in the car. Anyway, you want to be careful getting them off. You don't want to strip them, okay? And you definitely don't want to cut them. So once you've got it out, you want to take the FOA 27 torque screws out on the corners. And then you're going to be able to disengage this from here, like so. Okay, so now you've got your old bad pump and you've got your old module, which is still good. You do not want to put a different module on because it would have to be programmed at the dealer, I believe. I've heard that. So stick with your old module because that's not the problem. The problem's in your pump. One of these plungers is not releasing on the inside and it's letting some fluid by. And that's why the pedal gets soft on you. So you've got the pump out. You've got a replacement pump. You've got your original module. You want to put the original module onto the replacement pump and then reinstall it in the car, which I'm going to be showing you in this video more parts on how to get it out and how to get it in. But I did want to do a close-up on what you needed to do once you had it out. Okay, we'll see you in the next part of the video. Bye. Okay, so here we are again. There's a little bit more information for you guys. This is all the good stuff that you have to take out of here. Yeah, I know. This has to come off. This has to come off. This box comes out. You take the battery compartment out. And then behind that battery compartment is that little pump for your ABS, which is what causes the problems with your brakes. When you hit them and they go to the floor on you, that's going to solve it, I promise you. You don't want to change the module. You want to keep your original module and just change the pump. And that's going to do the job, I promise you. Okay, today guys, we have a quick 3-minute video. Yeah, it's me, Steve. How you doing again? We're going to show you where they're hiding the pump for the brakes on the ABS on this Ford 2011 Ford Focus. So anyway, there she is back there. As you can see, it's way back there on the firewall. And what you need to do is you better take off every one of those 6 lines. You got to pop out this plug right here. There's a mount down here, and then the rest of it just comes out. You got to work it out. It's not easy. Good luck with it, but it can be done. And then what you need to do is you need to put all these pieces back in the car in order to complete the project. But to get to that, you had to have all that out. So I just wanted to let you know where they're hiding the ABS pump on the 2011 Ford Focus. Yes, I forgot to tell you, Benjamin just reminded me, you need to bleed the brakes when you're done, because you're going to put the pump in, and when you put the pump in, you're going to say, wow, I'm all set now, and then you're going to hit the brakes and it's not going to work.
You're cracking the hydraulic system open, so you have to bleed the brakes, and the air pressure, that air that's in there has to be removed before you can have brake pedal feel again.
That's what it was, because when we first got in after putting the pump in, it was nothing, and I'm like, oh gosh. But then I said, Ben said, let's bleed the brakes, and sure as hell we bled all 4 brakes. We found some air in the back ones, and now the brakes are right up there. So I hope this helps you guys, And I hope that if you like what I did with this video, that you will subscribe and hit that notification bell and maybe even like the video. Again, Steve's TV. Take care.